Hello and welcome to our new video. Today's video about COPD gold classification. What is COPD? First we will talk about definition. A group of disease that cause airflow blockage and breathing related problem. It includes emphysema and chronic bronchitis. As you know, these two diseases include in COPD, emphysema and chronic bronchitis. Now we will talk about classification of COPD. It is called gold classification, and we will talk about a memory trick which help you to remember this classification. Let's start the video. If you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and like our video and join our Telegram channel which will give you latest medical information with latest video of ours. Let's talk about COPD gold classification. There is a 4 stage according to severity of disease which is divided by spirometry investigation. In spirometry investigation, two things should be considered for the stages. It is a FEV1 by FEC ratio and FEV1 percentage. Then let's start the staging. In first stage, severity is mild and FEV1 by FEC ratio less than 0.7. You should remember in the all 4 stage FEV1 by FEC ratio is less than 0.7. So we will not discuss about it. This thing you have to remember. In second stage, it is moderate stage and FEV1 is 50 to 80, between 50 to 80 means more than 50 and less than 80. In severe, FEV1 ratio is less than 50 but more than 30. In very severe, FEV1 is less than 30. Now how to remember these stages? First thing I told you, FEV1 by FEC ratio is same in all 4 stages is less than 0.7. Now we will memory trick for remembering COPD gold classification. You have to remember 30 plus 50 is equal to 80, and 80 is a this sign and 30 is this sign. Yes. Now you have to remember for stage 1 FEV1 is more than 80. For stage 2 FEV1 is 50 to 80. It is called stage 2. In stage 3 FEV1 is 30 to 50. It is called stage 3. In stage 4 FEV1 is less than 30. That's how you can remember the gold stage classification for the COPD. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you want to join our Telegram channel, link is given in description. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.